What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a good one for you today. I was able to get on that summertime fluke and frog pattern, which is one of my favorite patterns to get on. I was able to try out a new frog this video. This is called a Thunderhawk. So now when right after I catch a big one, I get to say, she just smoked the Thunderhawk. I get to say that now. So I'm happy about that. This has a rattle in it too. Pretty satisfied with this frog overall, y'all. Very soft. You can't walk it too aggressively or else it'll flip over, but I mean, it rights itself, but you gotta kind of finesse walk it, but it still has a lot of good action, still snaps pretty well. It's very responsive. Good solid hooks. Overall, really good frog. So I caught a lot of fish on that, caught a lot of fish on the black spro frog, and the weightless fluke, y'all, did absolute damage this video. So yeah, I got a really good one for you. Stay tuned, don't you go nowhere. First one of the day gets off. Two in a row. Get out of that. Get out of that. Hello, Jimmy. Hello, Jimmy. All right, y'all. Off to a nice little start. That's 2 fish in a row. Saw her come up and get it. That's a good one. That's a good one. Hello, fish. Hello, fish. I saw the flash. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come here, fish. Come here, fish. Whew. Think she wanted it, baby? Hell yeah. Oh my god, you guys, fucking tank. I felt her bump it once and I wasn't sure if it was, oh my gosh, look at that, oh my gosh. I felt her bump it and I'm like, oh, I think that was a fish. So I killed it. Oh my gosh, that's a freaking nice one. Just got me in the grass. Please, baby, chill out, please. That is a freaking tank. That is a freaking tank. Look at this thing. 4-pounder. 4-pounder. Come here, baby. Maybe bigger, maybe bigger. Yes. That's a 4. Hell yeah, baby. Woo! She was fighting. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. Getting on that fluke bite, y'all. Getting on that fluke bite. That's a chunky one. I'm gonna weigh this fish real quick just to see. He's probably 3 pounds 14 ounces, y'all. Nice one. Oh shit. Little guy. Oh, damn it. Oh, I was just about to adjust myself and I got smoked. Oh my god, 2. I had another one trying to eat it. Another one trying, that's a big one too, you guys. That's a freaking tank. That's a freaking tank. Look at the, I had two trying to eat it. I got the big one though, I think. Oh my gosh. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Look at that, y'all. Man, I had two fighting over it. And I think I got the big one out of the two. That was sick. That's a gorgeous fish right there. That's like another high 3, maybe 4. Nice. I'm gonna weigh her out real quick just to see. No, it's not a giant, but yep, 3 pounds 11 ounces. Another high 3-pounder, y'all. Good fish. Adios. Oh my God, you guys. Fucking hell, what a hit. That bite was savage. Oh, I think I got her hooked on top of the head, that's why. Uh-oh. Well, that bass is now blind, unfortunately, you guys. That is a part of fishing right there. That sucks. She just didn't get it all the way, and I foul hooked her right in the eyeball, you guys. That is unfortunate, but it happens, man. It happens. They want it on the pause. That's a biggin. That's a biggin, you guys. Just got me in the grass. That's a freaking biggin. Come on, baby. I really should probably have a 15-pound leader on here, not a 12-pound. Another freaking tank. Another tank, you guys. Ease her out of there. Just ease her out of there. That's a nice one. God, it's another good one. Another freaking good one, you guys. Oh my gosh, that might be the best one. Golly, I'm catching some meat out here today, y'all. I am catching some freaking meat right now, dude. That's another high 3 or 4 pounder, you guys. Look at, she wasn't coming off. Look at that hook. My goodness. £3 12 ounces, dude. Freaking big ones are eating today, man. Oh my gosh, how big is that fish? I don't know how big that fish is. She got me deep in the grass though.
1 hour later.
Good night.
2 hours later. Three hours later.
See her. God, get out of that. Okay, she's not even that big. Man, she had me buried in that grass. I could not tell if that was a big fish or not. Just a little guy. God. God dang, you guys. Whew. She fucking smoked that Thunderhawk.
Thunderhawk.
Oh my God. Nice one. Line's a little bit frayed up, but I think it'll be okay. I think. Whew, you know what? That's really bad. I'm gonna retie. I'm gonna retie. I don't want to break off. That was a big one. That was a fucking big one. Big one. That's, yep, that's the one I saw. That's the one I saw. Do not get me buried in that shit. Do not get me buried in that. Don't get, oh, come on, baby. Come on, baby. Oh yeah. Another good one, y'all. Come on now. I'm gonna run out of flukes. That's the problem. I didn't bring enough freaking flukes, you guys. Another tank. Just another freaking tank, y'all. Sweet. Smoked it. Smoked it. Yep. Got some really good cloud cover that moved in on me. Almost looks like there might be a storm coming, but there wasn't a storm in the forecast. So, gonna keep plugging. I'm running out of leader. I'm gonna have to tie another leader pretty soon. Oh, nice. Nice. Hell yeah, baby. Another frogfish, y'all. Whew. Man, every single one that's hit this Thunderhawk has just absolutely choked it. I see a nice bass sitting right here, and she looks hungry. Oh yeah. I just sight fished that bass, y'all. I just sight fished her. Oh my God, that was so sick. Just bigger than I thought she was too. That was so sick. I threw right on top of her head and she didn't move, and I knew she was gonna eat it. Look at that, baby. There we go. Little guy on the frog. Dude, another one. Oh, nice one too. That's a good one there. Freaking next cast on the black frog, y'all. Oh God, my line is wrapped. My line is wrapped. Hell yeah, baby, another good one. Woo! Line got wrapped around my tip. Another one. I thought that was gonna be a big one. Thought that was gonna be a big one, just a little guy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and as always, most importantly, stay froggy. Peace.